There, it's recording.
Oh.
You don't have to press the button, it's already going.
Okay. Here we are in Little Dipper Farms. Kitchen chicken in the chicken coop. My job is to keep this rooster away because she is quite vicious and she will attack. Oh shit, wire in my face. Okay. Oh shit, I'm not doing my job. Ow! Ow! Oh shit. I just ran straight into this. You guys, I had an injury. I ran straight to a wire in my face. I think I might have dropped blood.
Keep the rooster away!
Okay, my face is numb. Oh, my face hurts so bad.
Oh my god. Can I leave here now?
Is my face bloody?
It's a chicken, I'm gonna suffocate.
Oh, my face. You guys, I think I might have a scar. I ran straight into that wire.
Oh no, there's windows.
Will you guys come out of the chicken coop?
Yeah. Okay,
Rooster, get away.
one under, one under.
Rooster, get away.
Got it? I gotta get the right
Let's see what's in here.
Hold on, I got 2 chickens in my arms.
Trying to get a sneak peek in there. The smell is just ferocious. Rooster, get away! Bad rooster.
Oh my god, it's dying. Hey, Leah,
Keep the rooster away from us.
Is there anything on my face?
That's fine.
Dude, I ran straight into that wire so hard I fell
Right there,
over.
Leah, you're not doing a good job.
Jesse, shut up.
Please keep him away.
Uh-oh, the rooster's gonna
Will you
attack
take
me.
just a still shot of me and the chickens?
What's so funny?
Into that wire.
Did you hear me?
No, but I put
I knocked the wire over.